I just looked at my wrist, I got time today. Fuck it, I'm crossing the line today. The hate be so real, the love be fake. Be bumping they gums and bumping my tape. Don't go against me, they ask for my help. Go get out your feelings and get it yourself. Might got the same shoes, but you ain't gon' step. That shit that you just put out, you could've kept. Yup, she got a nigga, he got a shirt. Why? You can't compete when you can't compare. She ate the dick through my underwear. Got up and got herself out of there. I see they put me on memes and things. Don't speak on my life without knowing the real. 8 figures a year, what it cost me to live. Don't hold it, just say what you feel. But watch your mouth before I fly your bitch. To a place that she didn't know exists. Mediterranean water my wrist. Keeping on piss, how I'm talking my shit. 6-figure check for a show, man, I'm lit. Let's celebrate in my bag, legit. These niggas with me with whatever I'm with. Didn't know who did it, got everybody hit. Bitch. I don't like niggas, I don't like bitches, I don't like nobody. We can get gangster, we can keep it cordial. How you wanna go back? How you wanna do it? I don't backtrack, man, fuck that. I don't miss nobody. I don't miss nothing. Left it on scene, I ain't right back. I don't trust nobody. I just looked at my wrist, I got time today. Fuck it, I'm crossing the line today. These bitches will cry and be lying in your face. Slicker than us, gotta know how they play. If the money went straight, you won't be here today. Ain't that man, sure know what to say. You ain't me, so it's hard to relate. What? How much cash I fuck off every day? Big bag. Don't play with me, baby, go play with your pussy. You see them in person, these niggas be shook. $100 it cost you a Quavo to book me. I'm worth it, the proof in the pudding. Surrounded by bitch forearms. I'm looking like William, but they ain't my girlfriends. Bro, I'ma spin on your block at the back when they finish. It look like the world ends. I ain't asked for it, they did it to me. What? Niggas exposing their hands for free. Get caught in the middle, that's bullseye. You got hit, but we were targeting heat. Popping my shit with a capital P. SRT, red eye, red key. Might be ugly, but my bitch preference. She ain't even sneeze, but still I bless. I don't like niggas, I don't like bitches, I don't like nobody. We can get gangster, we can keep it cordial. How you wanna go back? How you wanna do it? I don't backtrack, man, fuck that. I don't miss nobody. I don't miss nothing. Left it on scene, I ain't right back. I don't trust nobody. I just looked at my wrist, I got time today. Fuck it, I'm crossing the line today. I just looked at my wrist, I got time today. Fuck it, I'm crossing the line today. I just looked at my wrist, I got time today.
He's on the track.
What's up, YouTube? Welcome to my channel. If you're new, hello and welcome. If not, welcome back. This is my first time talking in this video to y'all. As y'all see me, you know, kind of do like my morning routine or whatever. I just finished eating my breakfast. It's 11:11. Ooh, make a wish. Okay, so it's 11:11 right now. If you can't already tell by the title of this video, it's going to be a somewhat productive day in my life. I've already kind of got a late start to the day, but I mean, you can still be productive. So I'm gonna try to get some things done today. I don't really have like anywhere to go. I don't have any clients today, but I do have like some things I need to do. So I'm gonna try to be productive today. I need to take care of some dishes, some laundry. I'm gonna do some editing done today. I'm also supposed to be getting my TV mounted today, so fingers crossed that that goes well. And that's pretty much it. Just a day of like things around the house, I guess, but I still feel like I'm gonna be productive. And I might also go to the gym later on. I'm not sure yet, but that's a possibility. Today is Wednesday, July the 12th. I've been in my new house for like a little over a week. I'm pretty much all the way situated and settled in. It's just, you know, some little things here and there that I still have to complete or finish up or whatever. But for the most part, I'm completely settled and I'm very happy. I love where I'm at now. I love my place, I love my space. It's just like the whole aesthetic, everything is just exactly what I want. And I'm just really happy, I'm really grateful that I was able to do this. So for the majority of this video, or maybe the entire video, I will be wearing this bonnet on my head, y'all, because my hair is not done. I need my hair done so bad, like it's ridiculous. But I have an appointment on Saturday morning, so I'm gonna try to see if I can vlog that appointment. I'm gonna ask the girl if she minds if I vlog my appointment, and then Also, I plan on going to try this new cupcake, like bakery or whatever, on Saturday. So I'm gonna vlog that too. And then whatever else I plan on doing on Saturday, I don't really know just yet, but I'm definitely gonna vlog. I try to vlog those two things. So without further ado, let's go ahead and get started with this somewhat productive day. I'm gonna go ahead and start in the kitchen, and then I also want to figure out what I'm gonna eat for dinner tonight, because I think I'm gonna cook tonight. Well, I know I'm gonna cook tonight, but I just don't know what I want to cook. So I'm going to do that as well. And yeah, so let's go.
I just pull up in this bitch. In the function with my clique. I stay in the back. Thing on my hip. Fucking in the back. I stay with a bitch. Smelling like a bitch. Smelling like a salad. Seeing this money that I've seen none of you fellas. Drop a song and these famous bitches love it.
Alright, y'all, so I've just finished the kitchen. I'm about to tackle this laundry. It's not that much, just to fold it and put it away while I'm like up and I have energy, because normally I would like take a break after every task. So I'm about to go ahead and just take advantage of this little bit of energy that I have. After I finish the laundry, I might go ahead and start editing the video that I'm going to post either today or tomorrow. Depending on if I finish it today, it's going to get posted today. So I kind of sat on my phone for a little bit. It is 12:03, so I really should already been done putting this laundry, but I'm about to start now. It's my pal right here. It's not that much, but I gotta get it done. And I'm about to listen to some music while I do that, and then I probably will take another break. And after I take my next break, then I'll get into editing my other videos. So yeah, watch me fold these clothes. I'm gonna get this done. I'm gonna say get the folding done in like 10 minutes, 15 max, and then put them away in like 5-10 minutes. So let's go.
They don't vote for me in public. If I hit it, then it ain't worth no discussion. You the reason that our city buzzing. All my bros collect, all my bros is next. Who need work? I can plug you with connects. She get hot, who you call collect? Who you just finesse? Go lay low, I was.
Alright, y'all, so I was going to go ahead and start editing because I just finished putting those clothes away, but my iPad needs to be charged up, and as well as my pen, so I'm charging them right now. And then in the meantime, I'm going to probably eat me a little snacky snack and watch some TV. So yeah, I'll come back when I pick up the camera again, when it's time for me to start like editing and stuff.
She's looking at me for, she be looking at me for, wanna get lost when we chase it. She's looking at me for, she be looking at me for, wanna get lost when we chase it. She's looking at me for, she be looking at me for, wanna get lost when we chase it. She's looking at me for, she be looking at me for, you mean you ain't get no bread?
Okay, y'all, so I just got my TV mounted on the wall probably like an hour ago now, but y'all see it. I don't know if it looks small on camera. It might just be on camera, but it's really big in person. It's currently 7:20. It's not really focusing. I didn't really get a chance to take anything out to cook, and I don't really think that whatever I take out the freezer is gonna be thawed out in the next 40 minutes. So I really don't want to be up cooking all night either. So I'm probably just going to either get something out or cook something like a microwave dinner or something like that. Something really quick. But right now I'm about to just keep editing, watching Baggers Club, and eat me a snack. So the next time I do something like productive or worth vlogging on my productive day of my life, I'll pick up the camera. Okay, y'all. So I decided I would show y'all the snack I'm about to make. So I got my bowl, my spoon, and when I went grocery shopping, I got a big ass watermelon. So this whole thing is full of watermelon. It was full to the top, but that's like literally my favorite fruit. So I really had like been going in on it. So I'm gonna just put me a whole bunch in this bowl to fill it up. I really wish I didn't cut the pieces so small, but I was trying to make room for the watermelon because it's like one like long oval sized one. All right, so this is the bowl with the watermelon, how much I got in there. Then I'm gonna go in with some chamoy. I got this at Food Depot, I think. I was actually leaving out of there because I went to go get some ground beef for dinner the other night. And we walked back up the aisle with like the Mexican type food, like the spices. And a friend of mine put me onto this, and I've been like a little crackhead for this ever since. So what I'm gonna do, take this spoon out right quick, is I'm gonna pour it over my watermelon. I'm pretty sure that was a little bit too much, but I don't care. And then I'm gonna go in with some tahini, and that is what it looks like before I like mix it all together. And then that is what it looks like. So this is my little snack I'm about to eat, y'all. So I just got the shower. 10:06 at night. I'm about to fix me something to eat. I was gonna go out and get something because I didn't have time to take anything out for dinner. But I just really don't feel like driving anywhere to go get no food. So I'm currently making some chicken pot pies in the microwave. I could make it in the oven, but I really just don't feel like waiting that long because it takes way longer in the oven than if I just pop it in the microwave for like 6 minutes. So the last thing I want to show y'all for the night is these candy coated fruits that I got from this girl. I found her on Instagram. I'm gonna show y'all or tell y'all what I have ordered, and it's 11:34 right now, y'all, so it's late. So the order came with 6. I did pineapples, so it came with 6 pineapples, and the flavors that I chose was, or the candy coated flavor that I chose was pink lemonade, blue raspberry, sour green apple, cherry, strawberry watermelon, and cotton candy. And then the coat, like the little, like you can dip it in stuff. So like Nerds, I got for the pink lemonade, I got Nerds. The blue raspberry, I got Jolly Rancher. Sour green apple, I got Jolly Rancher. Cherry, I got Starburst, like toppings or whatever. Strawberry watermelon, I got Starburst, and then cotton candy, I got cotton candy. So she also threw in some freebies because when I was scheduled to pick them up, she wasn't ready, so she actually gave me another order for free. So this is like what the packaging look like. Got her little sticker on it, but this is what they look like. This is 4, and I'm assuming this one is Nerds, and these 3 is Jolly Ranchers, like covering. And she also gave me like a bunch of candy too, but I think I ate some of it already. And this is the other one. This one has, so I guess these 2 are the cotton candy ones because they have the cotton candy on it. And these must be like the Starburst, I think. I'm about to try them. I don't know which one I want to try first. I think I want to try this Jolly Rancher one. Oh, they probably gonna be hard because I let them stay in my freezer. They're actually good. You gotta do a lot of chewing, but they're good. I don't even know which one this is, honestly, but it is good. You definitely cannot eat all this in one sitting because this shit is sweet as fuck. But the what's this called? Pineapple is frozen, but you can still eat it. But yeah, this is good. This is real good. I'm gonna show y'all. Oh shit! I ripped the box. I'm gonna show y'all up close what they look like. So this is what they look like, y'all. Up close. So that's pretty much it, y'all, for my productive day in my life, or somewhat productive day in my life. I didn't really do much, but I got stuff done. Got a whole video edited in one day, pretty much. Laundry done, TV mounted, kitchen clean. I just didn't cook, but literally those 4 like simple things really took my whole day, if you want to be completely honest. But that's it. I'm closing out this video. Thank y'all for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, turn on those post notifications, and follow me and connect with me on social media. All of my social medias will be in the description box. Get me to 400 subscribers, y'all. Thank y'all so much, and I will see y'all in the next video.